Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Once we're done with the luminaires, we should go to the calculation objects to add calculation objects where we need to calculate the lighting and the glare. But before that, we should go to spaces to tell DIALux what room this is, because by default, if I click here, I will see the space DIALux preceding application standard office. Every room you build in DIALux is an office by default, so we need to change that. Let's go to edit. In here, in the European standard, you need to know it. The European standards for lighting are made for working places, which means that it's not an appropriate standard for residential lighting. The USA and Japan are more appropriate for residential lighting, but if we want to do it in the European standard, it's going to be a restroom. It's not going to be recognized as a bedroom, as like a real bedroom. It's going to be recognized as a restroom, because in the European standard there is no bedroom. To see that, let's go to File, Settings, Standards. In Standards, we have the European one for the interior workspaces. Let's write bedroom. There is no bedroom. Let's write restroom. We have a restroom, and it's actually inside general areas, inside building, rest, sanitation, and first aid rooms. And the visual task requirement is 100 lux. Visual task modified 200. But if I go to the American standard and write bedroom, I have this: residential interiors, bedrooms, television viewing, and the visual task requirement is 300 lux. That means that in this case, we can keep the European standard. Let's go back to the European standard. But we're not going to consider the room as a whole. We're going to divide this into little spaces. So we're going to have, for example, we're going to calculate the lighting on the tables. Then we're going to consider this area as a corridor. And we're going to add lighting, insert lighting calculations, calculation objects accordingly. So let's insert a lighting calculation here, or maybe let's make it easy. Let's go to results on surface. It only gives us 1/2 of the surface, so I will delete that one. I'll Control Z that, and I will go to calculation surface here, so I will have the possibility to insert a surface, and I will do it manually like this. Then I should move it up, or I can go to positioning and make it 0.4. It's now on the table. I can copy and paste it and move it to the other table. Then I should make a surface that will calculate the lighting on this kind of corridor. So I will click without releasing and release here, then move down or come here. I will try to avoid this blank because Control Z, I need to place this point here. Then I will avoid this blunt, come here and move down to somewhere here. I'll hover over this line like that. I'll also avoid the bed. Then I will right click, close polygon, and that's this little corridor calculation surface. I also need to know the light level, the illumination level on this table, on this painting. So I will click results on surface. we'll click calculate the illumination on this surface as well. And that's it, I think, for the calculation objects. I will now run the calculations and then verify the results.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.